Look at the white one's tail, how high it is. That means he thinks he's the dominant one, and the other one should submit. And these two are all curled up, sleeping.